Hello everyone, this is Donna, and I did get a clarification on exactly what kind of star was being needed to learn how to digitize. So I'm back in Embird, and one thing that we're going to do initially is we're going to go uh, to the From Library, and we're going to do a five-pointed star here. And as you can see, this star, if you look at it, is broken into five parts. So if you ungroup it, you can actually see all of the pieces right here. And what you would do for the um, actual star points is go to parameters, and these are actually already showing as satins, so they are large, and I'm making the assumption, since it's going to be a zodiac sign, that they're not going to be, this one is like 2 inches tall. So you could just drag this down. This would be like half an inch. And if you generate this and you scroll in, you can see how this is going to look. So this would be how you would do your star. Okay? Don't reinvent the wheel on this one. Use what Embird already has done for you. These are satin, and it'll stitch out okay. So that's it, and hope that helped you out. So if it doesn't, let me know, and we will talk to you later. Bye.